Young Will Shakespeare is having a bad year. His last two shows flopped. The theatre is about to go bankrupt.
Notice will be posted!
And the gangsters are moving in.
The show must go on.
The last thing he needs right now is a nasty case of writer's block.
What's it called? Romeo and Ethel, the pirate's daughter.
What is the story?
Well, there's this pirate.
Enter his very own Juliet.
Who is she? Dream on, Will.
I heard you were a poet.
I was a poet till now.
Shakespeare!
My heart belongs to you, but I will marry Wessex a week from Saturday.
Is she fertile? She will breed. If she do not, send her back.
If they find you here, they will kill you.
For one kiss, I would defy 1,000 Wessexes.
Universal Pictures and Miramax Films present a truly romantic comedy of errors.
That woman is a woman!
The house is stirring. It is a new day.
It is a new world. I will have poetry in my life, and adventure, and love.
Gwyneth Paltrow, Joseph Fiennes, Colin Firth, Geoffrey Rush.
Strangely enough, it all turns out well.
Ben Affleck.
What is the play and what is my part?
And Judi Dench as Queen Elizabeth.
She's been plucked since I saw her last, and not by you. It takes a woman to know it.
Shakespeare in Love.
Romeo and Juliet. Just a suggestion.
Good title.
An Illinois company is recalling 8,000 hair dryers because they pose a risk of electrocution even while...
Sources indicate this blast was 50 to 100 times more powerful than the one in Hiroshima, Japan. Initial projections indicate the nuclear fallout will affect all of...
It was an SS-18, 10 warheads. One detonated, 8 with you. That leaves 1 unaccounted for.
The guy got away with a bomb.
We have a weapon of mass destruction coming into the United States.
Now, you are not in Washington anymore. You are in the real world.
I'm not afraid of the man who wants 10 nuclear weapons, Colonel. I'm terrified of the man who only wants 1.